So my name is Alice. I was taking part of the Glasgow Science Festival here at the KPC, and it's really been incredible. This was my first time getting involved with people, with children. They get to design their own microbes and put them on a nice mural. It was really nice. The KPC itself is a very nice venue. You can see that there's a really strong community, and it was just a brilliant experience. So I would definitely get involved again.
So I'm Caitlin, and I'm an immunology PhD student at the University of Glasgow, and today I was in charge of the blood box where we taught kids what was in your blood, so like red blood cells, platelets and white blood cells. It was really good fun. They all got to have a little bit of a guddle and some water, so everybody really enjoyed it, and it was great to do some immunology research out in the community.
Hello, I'm Kate and I've been volunteering today at KPC. It's been a fantastic day. We've had lots of kids play our ball pit game, catching the bacteria and the viruses, and they've really enjoyed it.